My name is Jocelyn, and I live in Denver, Colorado. My car that I previously had was 10 years old. I, at that time, was thinking, I'm gonna need a new car soon, and really started looking at electric vehicles as an option. I was casually browsing and I found an EV that I really liked. Happened to be the one that my dad also owns, because he had gotten one previously and had nothing but great things to say about it. I would say my dad was very involved with me finding my EV.
Full disclosure, my daughter makes all her buying decisions. I was just there to counsel, so Daddy didn't buy it, Daddy didn't negotiate it, all I did was advise.
In my home, I do have a charger for my EV. We got the car that we wanted. We just called an electrician. They came out and were able to put in the outlet that we needed and all the wiring. I would say at most we charge our EV once a week, and it's been totally worth it just to not have to think about leaving to go get gas.